system button, and that opens up this dialog